to do a small tutorial on how to edit in InShot. So I have OCD, so you guys see that I have all of my icons in alphabetical order inside the icon and outside of it. So we're going to go to advertising, we're going to go to Canva. Oh, I said InShot. Oh, my apologies. Let me go back out. We're going to go to InShot, and then we're going to go into videos. So for instance, I did this video and you guys can see it here. Greetings, good people. So we're just going to go out of that. It's just a small tad. So how did I create that? How did I create that video? And if you guys seen, there's several different videos that I've done with different thumbnails and things. The thumbnails are in Canva. We'll go into that in just a moment. But as you see, the new is in green. You can tap on this and start a new video. If you go back out, it doesn't save or anything. You just have to start that over. But it saves all of it, or their drafts. So as you can see, there's so many different ones. Sometimes you have to delete, or you can make a copy of it if you want to do a few different things, just in case you mess it up. So for instance, we have this one here. You can pull any of your photos and things. I'm sorry, let's go back out. So there's so many different drafts you can do, and you can also name them. So there, as you can see, I have my lock journey, Pacific Catch review, which you guys can see, the Hangman Jewelry box. You guys remember that one. The Murphy Good Winery, you guys were there for that. And some of my Boy Brown photography. Now let's go back to new. So we're going to tap new, and as you see, there's videos of me, and we're going to use this one, the second to the last, or the third to the last, and we're going to put that as a clip, and let's play that. Just a tester video for InShot. Hope you guys are enjoying it. All right, peace. So as you can see, that was recorded just so you guys can get a taste of it. Now, if you want to put in your logo and put in other things, then you can add things from your library. So you hit the plus sign, right? You can add a video or a photo. And what I'll do, what you can do, go into recent, or I can go into Canva, where I've made an update video. Right? Oh, where is it? Oh man, I didn't download it, guys. So hold on just a second. Let's download that. All right, so we're gonna go into here, go back into video, and there it is. I've added some automation to it, so let's play that so you guys can see where it goes from there. Just a tester video for InShot. Hope you guys are enjoying it. All right, peace. All right, so there we are here. Now you can also add music to it, but before that, I like to do my little ending. So I'm gonna go to video, and I have an ending that I do, and here it is. It's just my branding. So let's see that also. Let's go here, play it all the way through. Just a tester video for InShot. Hope you guys are enjoying it. All right, peace. So there you have it, right? Now, transitions. As you can see, in between each video that was added, there are little pencils. And so what you can do here is you can choose just how you want to do it. Just a tester video. Just a tester video. I kind of like just this a tester one. Video. So we'll keep that. You can also add just a tester video intensity on it. Tester video. Right. So I like intensity, and then you can either just a tester video apply to all, so it can go into all of them, right? or you can just apply it to one, and it will, you can do several different type of transitions. All right, so we'll do that. Now let's add a little music to it. You can do over voice recording. If I didn't want to use the recording from my voice from now, and I just wanted to redo it, I can turn the volume down on this and then put another recording, more desirable if I want, or if there's something else I needed to say, and add it into that. So let's add this music. Now I have a favorite artist on here. Where is he? Jeff. I like his stuff, right, guys? So several different things, and you can listen to it before you add. So you can use that for Jeff. That's my go-to. That's actually the intro for Coppered Hue. Thanks, Jeff. I appreciate you for that. And then this. Now, you can also, say if it's too loud when it's coming in, you can turn it down in volume. You can also fade in and out. So let's just play it as is. Right? Okay, so now that will go into my voice, right? So of course you want to fade it in and out. So let's tap on it, right? And you can move it up and down and things if you add some more audio, right? So if I add this audio, I'll show you. Greetings, good people. Welcome to Coppered Hue, right? So I'll do this and you can move it. I can put it here right before it happens. I can put it there. I can also shorten it, or I can turn the volume. Greetings, good people. Welcome to Coppered Hue. I can turn it down here, turn it back up, or I can fade it in and fade it out. So watch this. Greetings, good people. Welcome to Coppered Hue. And then it goes in and out. So we're not using that, of course. So as long as it's highlighted with the adjustment bar, then you can just delete it, right? So now we want to turn on the volume. Turn down the volume. We're going to fade it out. Right? So let's go through that. Just to test a video. Now, right here is where we want to split it, because I'm speaking, right? So we're going to go right here, right into here, and then we're going to split it. And then here, now it's split and it has two separate bars, and you can do different things with them. You can turn on the volume, change the music, move it around, move it up, move it over, however you want to do it. So for this one, we're going to keep the volume because it's just the intro, and then we are going to and fade it out. All right, so let's see how that works. Okay, now this one, we're going to turn the volume down because we're going to turn it down enough to where you can kind of hear it in the background, right? And then for my voice, we're going to turn it up so you can hear me louder, right? So let's try this. Just a tester video for InShot. Hope you guys are enjoying it. All right, peace. Now, right here, we can split it. So we like that. So right here, now we're going to hit music. So say if you go out of it and you're like, oh no, I can't get back to the music bar. Hit music again, it pops up, right? So we'll do this. We'll split this again. And this here will turn the volume back up. Right? Okay, now let's test it out. Just a tester video for InShot. Hope you guys are enjoying it. All right, peace. Okay, so I don't like how right here it just jumps right back in, right? So let's see how the volume is there. It doesn't fade in and out, it's just blunt. So right here, we're gonna do a fading because it'll move its way back into it. Now let's check that out and see how that works. Just a tester video for InShot. Hope you guys are enjoying it. All right, peace. Now let's split this. Delete the rest of it off because we don't need it, right? And if we do need it, you can always just duplicate. You can duplicate it. So if I just wanted a little, I added some extra something to the video, then I would hit this and then I would duplicate it and it'll give me a little bit something, right? And then right here, we'll check that off. And then right here, I'll add another video, right? And we'll put in, what we're gonna put in, just something crazy, right? We'll just put this here at the end and then it'll be here. And then we can shorten it because we don't need the whole thing, right? We just want to do it to the duration of the video. We'll press music and see how far that goes, right? So we want to make sure that it's the duration of the video. We're gonna go back here, check that off, and we're gonna bring it in just a tad bit, go back to music. Maybe we'll just pull the music out until it reaches that. It's a good line. So let's try that. Just a tester video for InShot. Hope you guys are enjoying it. All right, peace. So that's just so you guys can see what that is. We're going to delete that. We don't need it. All right. And then we are going to delete the music as well at the very end. We don't need that guy. So that's that. Intro, outro, quick video if you just want to do a little something. Be sure to look out for more tutorials with Copper Heel. Peace.